अल्फाबेट्स। सो फर्स्ट में हम जानते हैं कलर्स नेम। स्काई ब्लू कलर, ब्लू कलर, ऑरेंज कलर, पर्पल कलर, ग्रीन कलर, पिंक कलर। A for apple, A for apple. B for ball, B for ball. C for cat, C for cat. D for dog, D for dog. E for elephant, E for elephant. F for fish, F for fish. G for goat, G for goat. H for horse, H for horse. I for ice cream, I for ice cream. J for jog, J for jog. K for kite, K for kite. L for lion, L for lion. M for monkey, M for monkey. N for nest, N for nest. O for orange, O for orange. P for peacock, P for peacock. Q for queen, Q for queen. R for rat, R for rat. S for sun, S for sun. T for tiger, T for tiger. U for umbrella, U for umbrella. V for van, V for van. W for watermelon, W for watermelon. X for X-ray, X for X-ray. Y for yak, Y for yak. Z for zebra, Z for zebra. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9 9 10 10 10